Hey guys, Chuck, how's Mopar? Welcome back. Will he make it? Will he make it? Yes, Chuck will make nationals this year. Gonna be there with my buddies. Quite a few this year. Last year, nobody went except for 3 of us, and we took a minivan. Wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to do this up until yesterday. Up until now, it's been a hard no, not making it. Because, work. So anyway, like I said, the usual suspects are going to be there. We're going to have a couple extra guys that I don't know, friends of friends. Sounds like there's a dark convertible going to show up. In all, I don't know, we're going to have 6, 8 cars, something like that. Drew's banging his Demon. You can see that if you want, but it's coming on a trailer because it's, kind of set up for drag racing. If you see us, you can stop by and say hi. JW may sling you a ham sandwich if you're really lucky. But at any rate, you can get a sticker. I got stickers. And you can be in our little car club, House of Mopar car club. Kind of became our car club. That's cool. All right, guys. See you on the road.